Here at Accelerate Auto Repair, we often have Jeeps come in with a common complaint, and that is that the front end of the vehicle is shaking and wobbling, and people describe it as though the vehicle feels like it might lift off of the road, and it feels very, very dangerous. This is also known as death wobble, and it's a frequent problem due to a number of suspension components that, when fail at a similar time, causes a chain reaction that leads to a very serious outcome, which again is death wobble.
Yeah, and really some of these components that Justin was mentioning, they're going to be things like tie rods, which is the large bar that goes across here. They're going to be the Pitman arm, which you might not be able to see it, but it's right up here. That's going to attach to the drag link and track bar, as well as ball joints and even, a steering stabilizer that, you guessed it, it's supposed to stabilize the steering, but not so much. A lot of these components, if left untreated, can, like Justin said, create this death wobble sensation. At first you might just notice a little shake in the steering wheel, but over time and untreated, they can turn into much, much larger issues.
If death wobble occurs, the last thing you want to do is slam on the brakes. This will cause all of the weight to shift to the front of the vehicle, which will put all of that momentum, velocity on those front two tires where the components are failing. So you actually want to just let off the gas, ease into the brake, slowly come to a stop, get off the road, and if it was really severe, you should probably have the vehicle towed in to our facility so we can give you a definitive diagnosis.
Yeah, absolutely. And just like Justin said, again, death wobble, that doesn't just all happen at once. It's going to progress slowly over time. It could be one suspension component, 2, 3. God forbid it's all of them, but that is something that you can come in. We'll take care of a complimentary diagnosis for you, let you know exactly what the root of the cause is, and then adjust accordingly to whatever we need to do. If it is 1, 2, or 5 components, again, hopefully not, but if it is just one of those, then we'll be able to get that taken care of.
So again, delaying repairs could take you from just a simple tie rod end replacement to all of these components that we've already touched on, from your ball joints to your knuckles to your drag link, which comes across, your Pitman arm, and even your steering gearbox. If you have too much play in your whole suspension system, the gears inside your steering gearbox can be destroyed. And we have seen cases where every single one of the components we've discussed has had to been replaced. So you can go from $100 to $200 repair to spending thousands of dollars on something that, as soon as you felt that first little shimmy or shake, if you would have come to us, you would have been in a much, much better situation, and so would your pocketbook.
And again, just make sure that you protect your Jeep, yourself, your family, and prevent your pocketbook from incurring just crazy expenses. Again, feel free to contact us. The phone number here, 469-501-5155. We are located in Rowlett, Texas. Accelerate Auto Repair.
469-501-5115. AccelerateAutoRepair.com. I'm not